Hello, I'm Ryan Boertje. I have been with Schuil since 2018, going on 6 years now. I specialize in dairy transactions, but also tree and open ground. I've been in the dairy business with my family. I grew up in the dairy business with my family, so I've been around cows and in agriculture pretty much my whole life. Attended Fresno State, got my ag business degree in 2013. I have been involved in the dairy feed business since then, and so just really a lot of experience in the dairy industry. If you'd like to learn more about any of our listings or where the markets are trending today, I'd be more than happy to assist you. You can reach me at 559-827-6959 or my email rboertje@schuil.com.